Welcome! Today, we're diving into a product that can truly enhance your daily skincare routine. The Vital Luxury Bath and Body Kit is designed to transform your self-care rituals into a luxurious experience with its delightful scents of Japanese cherry blossoms and cotton candy. Each item in this kit complements the other beautifully. From the nourishing body lotion to the refreshing shower gel, this set ensures you experience the full spectrum of skincare benefits, wrapped in delightful fragrances. What sets this kit apart is its use of natural ingredients. The infusion of aloe and vitamin E ensures your skin not only smells wonderful but also feels soft and supple, making the set suitable for all skin types. This mesmerizing scent combination is not just enjoyable, it can evoke fond memories with every use. Ideal for any occasion, this set makes the ultimate gift for friends, family, or even yourself. Thank you for watching. If this enchanting bath and body kit has caught your interest, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more product insights and reviews.